and we've come to Pad Thai Cuisine on the bypass in Sanur. We've just ordered. They close at 10 and I think it's already about 9:30. So we're hoping they're quick and we're both starving. And it looks like a really lovely place. It's very clean, it's very pretty, and we've got the whole room to ourselves, and there's another couple in there who have that room to themselves. So yeah, we'll let you know what it's like. I think I've ordered a Pad Thai Gung, which is, I'm not sure, some sort of noodles and peanuts and lime. It sounds really nice. And a papaya salad. And my main is 125,000. The salad was 35,000. We're just sharing a Coke Zero. And here's our lovely waiter bringing our drinks. And we'll let you know how it is.
Can I top up for you, madam?
Thank you.
Here we are in the inside of Pad Thai, and as Mark said, it is a room to ourselves, and this is the room. There's Mark, all by herself, and we have looks like a front reception area out through that window. And I'm not sure exactly what goes on there, whether that's where you pay or if she's just admin staff. But it's all very black and orange, as you can tell.
It's a lovely room.
It is a lovely room. It's nicely decored. Got these groovy little lights hanging down. And out through there, without being too intrusive, is a long section, and there's another seating area right in the back, and that is where the restrooms are, between those curtains. And we've got some little bits of, oh, it's a hookah. Don't tell me they do shisha. They have a shisha menu. Smoking recommendation. Oh, I see. Double apple, watermelon, mango. Not sure exactly how that works, but that's what they have. And it is fogged up in here due to the air conditioning being ultra cool. And I think we're probably breathing a little bit too heavy. I'm not sure. But I think it's to do with the weather outside being very hot and humid.
I feel like I'm in a little ice box or something. And we were going to sit at that table, but he said the aircon is leaking onto that table, so we moved to this table. But it's kind of weird. I feel like I'm in some sort of icicle cubicle. I don't know. All the windows are fogged up. It's quite nice. But yeah, it's lovely and cool.
That is a little drop of water on there, and it's nowhere near the table. But anyway, just
it's on the table though. Yeah. So if we had have sat there, that would have been bad. We had our pick of whatever table we wanted, and we chose the one that had water pouring on it. So anyway, this one's good. It's all fine.
Is that your papaya salad?
Papaya salad.
Papaya. Sorry for my pronunciation.
That's okay. And he said it's a little bit spicy, and Derek will not touch it because it has all that julienne carrot in it, which he hates. So it looks like that's all for me. I have one little taste and it tastes yummy.
And you have to say once again, it's a bit sad that this place is so empty. There's us and another couple, and I think they actually might work out, I'm not sure, but they were counting bundles of money. There was 50,000 rupiah notes stacked up about more than my fingers can go, and they had absolutely millions on that table. I don't know what they're doing. But really, it is late, but I'm not sure if it's a reflection on their menu or anything like that. The menu looked actually quite good, and some tasty food on there as far as I'm concerned, because I love a little bit of spice and chilli. But being on the bypass, whether that's hindering, whether the low season is hindering, it's hard to say. But it is always a little bit sad when you come to a place that you're the only people in there. You know, we've just left a restaurant that was quite busy, looking very successful. Just my view on things.
So we got, for a starter, a papaya salad, which I've never had before. I've always wanted to try it. I think I had maybe had it once before, but I can't remember it. And my mouth is burning, like it's so spicy. And Derek would love it, except he hates all that carrot, so he probably won't have any. So I've been trying to get through that. I'm so hungry. It's 9:30 at night and they're about to close at 10, so we've got to scoff it all in as quick as we can. So I thought, I'll have heaps of that salad, and my mouth is on fire. But it's really tasty. If you like spicy food, you'll love it. And can't wait to get the main course. Has just arrived. This is the pad gung, noodles, chicken, some little rice crackers, some bean sprouts, a bit of lime. I think this has also got prawn heads in it. So I'm not quite sure what's involved here, but I think it's chicken and prawn. And papaya salad, steamed rice, and red curry over there, if I'm correct.
Red curry looks maybe a little bit yellow in the picture, but it's actually red. And hiding behind that is the chili flakes. Just in case.
Looks good.
Red Thai chili. One of the spiciest things I've ever come across, and they wanted me to have extra chili flakes, and I don't think so. Marg's having an attack over there. Oh. She's had one little chili in hers, and
it set me off.
She has gone, but that was lovely. If you love a good spicy dish, listen to her go.
Freezing to death.
She's freezing in the aircon.
I've got pneumonia.
Subantarctic temperatures in here, and the food is equatorially hot. Although Marg had a sweet dish, and she had one little chili in it. And
this papaya salad was very
the whatever salad it was, papaya. I have trouble with that word. And but the red curries, Thai red curries, and I'm not sure about the others. There was 3 other options: the Padang, green, and yellow curries. And I'm assuming that they're just as spicy and tangy and as hot. But fortunately I added the jasmine rice to it, and that really sort of helped mellow it. But that was lovely. I really enjoyed that. And that's the sign to look for on the bypass, Pad Thai Cuisine. Big orange signs, and it's a large fronted building. And there's plenty of parking out the front, and some scooter parking over there. So this is the place. It's next to Sanur. This is the bypass. Always a little bit busy. but it's not too bad tonight. It's just after 10. They threw us out because they were closing. And Marg was just telling me, because she did a quick Google, that Sanur has villas. Unfortunately, it's on the bypass, so it's a little bit noisy, and they're $260 per night. But they do look really good. And that's their official vehicle right there.
Okay, well, it was quite noisy here on the bypass, so I hope you can hear me. That dinner was delicious, really nice, a bit rushed because they were about to close by the time we got here, but it was really nice. My dinner was quite sweet, so it wasn't spicy, but the papaya salad was. And Derek had a red curry that was pretty spicy, I think, but the jasmine rice saved it. And it's attached to Sonora Villas, which I just Googled, and they look beautiful, $260 a night. So all good, but I have to say, that room was the most frozen I have ever been. I was so cold in there. I've never been so cold in Sanur in my life. So the air conditioning worked really well. A good night. It was fine.
You sound like you got a cold.
I know, I've got pneumonia. I'm just sitting, I had goosebumps all over me. I was freezing. It's the coldest I've ever been. But anyway, it was good. It was nice.
Good, quick service, wasn't it?
Yeah, very quick. Yep. And they're all going home now, and so are we. Over and out. Good night.